Learn how to do sequential coding. An important note: once the steps are learned, we can insert the ink cartridge before carrying out the procedure, avoiding keeping the cartridge inside the coder for too long. First, insert the handheld printer's USB drive into our computer and open Excel, where we will write our sequence in each cell. In this case, we will put A1, A2, and to optimize the time, select these two cells, click on the lower right corner, and drag down. Once we have our sequence, we will save it. Click Save, select the folder of our USB drive, and inside, choose the database folder. Open the File Format tab and select the .csv file format. Write the name with which we will save our file, in this case sequence, and click Save. Eject the USB drive, insert it into the handheld printer, and proceed to turn it on. Once it's on, go to Edit, then More, and select Storage. Here, the files from the USB drive will appear. Select the sequence file. Where it says Type and Variable Text, click on it and three options will appear. Variable Text. The sequence will appear and print only as text. Variable QR Code. The sequence will appear and print as a QR code. Variable Code. The sequence will appear and print as a barcode. In this case, we choose Variable Text. Click Confirm, verify our sequence, click Confirm again, and a screen with these options will appear, where we can choose where we want the sequence to start and end. If we click Build, we can edit the font type, size, spacing, and properties such as bold, italic, underline, and strike through. Once we configure it as we want, click Confirm and click Confirm again so the information appears on the editing screen. Then we proceed to print. And that's how we do our sequential coding.